Hello, good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to my channel. And in this video, guys, today I'm going to teach you how to use Google Veo 3 for 100% free, no coding, no payment, no credit card required. Actually, 100% free. We're going to use your own application that is going to be converting image to video for you. Yes, you heard me right. So please, if this is your first time coming across my channel, please do well to subscribe. But hold on. Why should I subscribe right now? I haven't even seen what you're going to offer. Okay, no problem. Let's go. All right, without further ado, let's dive in right now. So the interface I see here is what you're actually going to generate. Okay, so this interface here allow you to upload. You can see a step one, upload image, and then step two, describe the animation, and then step three, select your aspect ratio. So which we have 1.1, which is for Facebook. We have 9:16, which is for TikTok, and then TikTok Google, Facebook Short, right? Then we have 16:9, which is for YouTube formats. So this is the interface. Now, a lot to say, why the interface like this? Okay, if you don't know Google Veo 3 interface, let me show you guys. If you are trying to test the Google Veo 3 interface, the interface is actually like that, okay? The only thing is that you need to add an API key to the Google Veo 3 interface. You can see it is loading, so let it load so you see what we are talking about. But now, I have been able to clone this particular version because Google Veo 3 will ask you for an API key before proceeding, and which you cannot provide that API key. Now, for example, this is Google Veo 3, right? You can see it, video generating with Veo 3 is only available on the paid tier. So that means only paid people can use the Google Veo 3 video generating. But look at it. This is the interface. If I come here, click the upload section, select an image, it's going to ask me for the prompt. Let's say I put a prompt like this. It's going to come up like this, right? You see, it failed. Okay, it failed because it cannot work. You look at the website, it failed to call the Gemini API key. Please try again. So we cannot use Google Veo 3 without making payments. Yes, but don't get me wrong, because a lot of you right now will say it. But you said in this video, and the title said using Google Veo 3 without payment, right? Yes, actually, that is the truth. So now what we need to do right now is to come back here. This is our interface. If I click upload right now, let me select an image, select this image, and I'll say, I'll come down here and I can talk to this image and say, make this image to talk. I want the girl to dance and I want her to wave a hand. So let me say I just choose like this and I click generate, right? You can see it's processing with that, asking me for API key. Do you understand? It's processing without asking me or telling me fade. Do you understand? But this is not what we are testing, right? We want to go and build, right? So let's leave this and go and build what we want. So what we need right now is to copy a prompt that I will drop in the video description. So I'm going to drop this prompt. So come down and copy this prompt. Go to your aistudio.google.com/apps, which is the Google AI Studio, or you can just type in Google AI Studio on Google and you're going to land on this page. So please, you will not land on this page direct. So when you type it in, you're going to land on the home page, which is going to look like this, right? So you log in with your Gmail account. Then when you land on this place, because you're going to start with the chart showing this, Selena, Banana, whatever. So just come to the build session, this build, click on the build, ignore every other thing you're seeing on the dump. At the up here, says start building with Gemini. So that is where we are going. So paste the code you copied on the prompt, sorry, not code. Paste the prompts. Then on the up here, say open prompt, delete it. Then come down, delete the space. Now we have deleted the space. So the next thing we need to do right now is to run these prompts. because this prompt is going to do what for us? It's going to generate what you're seeing here. Oh, sorry. Okay, so let's repeat. So it's going to generate what you're seeing here, right? That is what the prompt is going to do, generate this interface. So let's go back. Now let's click run. Let's wait for it to run, right? Running, 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 running. Oh yeah, wear your dancing shoe, let's run, run, run. Wear your dancing shoe, let's run, run, run. All right, it's processing, right? You can see it here. Processing, processing, processing. Okay, it has analyzed and understand our projects. Now, what it's doing right now is to build the project. That is what is going on right now. It's building the project. And here you can see the step one, the description of the step one. You can see it. That's for the left side. While the right side, the code is being built. You can see all the things. All right. If you come to the left side here, you are seeing the task that is being completed very fast. So this code, oh wow, we have actually built the code, at least have only a few things to complete. All right, our code has been built successfully right now, and we're on the preview states. Wow, we're previewing it. So while this preview is coming up, I advise you to go to ChatGPT right now. Tell ChatGPT to give you a prompt. You can see here, I already have a prompt, well structured. So I'm going to copy my prompt. Tell ChatGPT, you can also snap yourself a photo and tell ChatGPT to convert that photo to whatever you like, and then to put any background that you want, and also customize it, and then ask him to give you a prompt that will make that photo to do whatever you want. Then you come back to the upload session. This will keep failing, so I think because maybe the prompt it doesn't understand. But the way I just said it, right? So here is what we just recently built, right? This is what we recently built. So I'm going to go to upload session here. Then I'm going to select, let me look for the image I want to use. So this is the image I want to use. Hmm, What's going on? All right, uploaded. So now I'm going to do what? Paste my prompts. So I'm going to look here. This is my prompts. Select my aspect ratio, 16:9. You can see here I've done that. Let's click start. So it's being generated right now. So let's give a few minutes. This is going to take 1 minute or maybe 30 seconds to generate. Okay, it's fast. Yes, it's going to generate it fast. Just here, adding a touch, whatever it's doing, you are going to see it at the bottom here. Whatever the AI is actually doing, okay, you are going to see it here. All right, let's since this is being generated right now, I think this is the right time for you to go to the comment section and drop your comments, and also do what? Give a like. And the reason why you're liking this video is this because you want me to also do more better, right? And you want the algorithm to recommend this particular video to more other people that are actually searching for what you're searching for, and actually other people that want to make use of this, right? So please go and give a like to this video. And remember, if you have not subscribed so far, please do wait to subscribe to the channel. All right, here is the video that is being generated. And you can see here, the load is very bold, right? And let's look at it. You see the leaf sinking, and if you see the up session and the down session, there is no black, okay? But see what the image generated. See the black, and the down, and the up, okay? So those black here, the AI understand it, is frame it, okay? It cut off those places, frame it, and also add touches to make it more beautiful, right? Now look at our face. Our face is not changed. We're still having the same face. The only thing, we just made some touches to make our face look more smoother, more cleaner, right? So this is what you can actually do with this code. This simple prompt, you can do it. If I say, let me give you the code, you cannot actually host it because you can't understand it. So that will bring a lot of questions, right, in the comments. So that's why I say, let me give you the prompt, generate the code, do this, okay? So, and with this, you can generate as many videos as you want without no limitation, right? And if you generate an if I occur any limitation, please drop it at the comment section so I can also know that okay, this also have a limitation as how many image limitation, so I can do a video about it for others to understand how to know, because I have not come across any limitation, right? So maybe you come across limitation, please help us to know in the comment section. So thank you for watching my video, and I hope to see you in my next one. And remember, if you have not subscribed, subscribe to my channel so you can receive another update. And let me tell you this, there's a video coming up about Sarah 2. Sora 2 is the most, like the highest video generating platform right now. Apart, let me say, let's leave it trash Veo 3 right now. Let's put that on the first map, because the what Sarah 2 can do is like unbelievable, something that there's no AI have done. Do you think so? If you have been looking for invite code, then do where to subscribe, because that video is coming up soon. Thank you for watching once again.